jungle sounds. Are you ready to explore this noisy jungle book with me? Let's go there. At night, the jungle is full of noises. Can you hear the animals croaking and hooting and squawking in the dark? Let's hear. The whole jungle shakes as a hungry tiger roars. As the sun slowly rises over the treetops, a bird wakes up on its branch and begins to sing. Hmm. Someone else joins in, and soon beautiful bird song fills every tree across the jungle. For a moment, all you can hear is a cracking frog. But listen, there's a storm coming. Now the rain is pouring down. Can you hear it splishing and splashing onto the leaves? Down by the lake, a baby elephant is having fun in the water. Splash. Why his daddy makes a sound you can hear for miles around. Now the night is falling again, but one noisy orangutan isn't quite ready for bed. Hmm. Here's the orangutan. A leopard and her cubs are just waking up. Time for a night exploring the noisy jungle. I hope you enjoyed all the beautiful noise in this jungle book. Bye, superstars.